In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create company-wide forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are signed in, open Claude AI in your browser as well, so both tools are ready to use. Before creating the form, define the goal clearly. Decide what the company-wide form will be used for. This could be for human resources requests, information technology support, employee feedback, approvals, or other internal workflows that need to be used across multiple departments. Having a clear purpose will help you generate a form that is structured correctly from the beginning. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a company-wide form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for employee details, department, request type, and approvals. Make it scalable, standardized, and easy to use across all teams. After Claude AI generates the form, return to Jotform and review the new form in your account. Check that the overall structure matches your company needs and that the main sections are already in place. From there, add any company-specific fields that may be required. This can include employee ID, department, manager name, request category, priority level, and file attachments. These details help make the form more useful for internal processes and reporting. Next, standardize the layout so every team uses the same flow. A common structure is employee information first, followed by request details, then approvals, and finally, any additional notes. Keeping this consistent makes the form easier to complete and easier to review later. Now customize the form labels, field descriptions, and required settings so everything is clear for employees in different departments. Make sure the wording is simple and consistent across the entire form. After that, configure the advanced settings in Jotform. You can enable approval workflows, add conditional logic, turn on notifications, and connect the form with other internal systems such as human resources tools, customer relationship management platforms, or other workplace software. Once the setup is complete, adjust permissions and access settings. Decide who can view the form, who can submit it, and who can manage responses. This is important for maintaining control and protecting internal information. Then preview and test the form using different department scenarios. Make sure the fields, logic, and approvals all work as expected. When everything looks correct, publish the form and share it through your internal portal, email, or an embedded link. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.